in the world. My mom used to say when I was young, I hadn't come to England, that there were two places in the world she wanted me to see. One was Madame Tussauds and one was the Lido in Paris. So she would have been very proud. So for me, one of the greatest moments and achievements of my life is that I'm in Madame Tussauds. And then I think they made me look very good also. I think it's very nice to have so many Indians here. And it also sort of speaks, and I'm not saying it because I'm here, but I think it speaks volumes of where the country has reached in terms of cultural reach, sports reach. But when even the normal people like me are making it, I think it's really wonderful. Ajay's photo. Where's Aryan Swara? Aryan! It's a good one, huh? Actually, I like his the best. Aryan घूम गया? Sorry. This is the final one. Whoever gets is the world champion. They make me look much better than I am. I was just discussing that with Aryan. I think it's fantastic.
Baba looks better normally.
Also go on the trampoline and all that on.
You know, when they see, okay, Papa's got this time for us now, and if somebody else starts taking the time, I think, yeah, natural reaction of a kid is that they resent it. And also it's very difficult for people to sometimes understand. And I completely understand. I think people should not give me any prize.
Aryan को कब आ जाओ, मैं ट्रेनिंग दे दूँ, उसके बाद जाए. There's no front and back in this. Keep pressing. A little slow, everyone. It's a little slow, everyone, not too fast, because it can get unbalanced. लड़कियां आ गई क्या? Girls have come? अरे so I'll take them for a ride. मैं इनको एक चक्कर लगाना.
Oh, अच्छा.
Drop दे ना. Gauri is quite a speed freak here. Actually, she's better at this than I am. At those, what is it called? Water skis and jet skis and this. She's much more. No, you're the best, but Gaurima number 2. I'm a little scared. I can do stunts, I can't do all this right with the Aryan says, no, you're too slow. Gauri, aram se. Gauri ki tower bhul gayi. Yeah, she's mad. She's a speed maniac, a closeted speed maniac. She's out in the open. There's speed freaks there. Right? Gauri, you're too fast, yeah?
I have gone in 1 second, I have reached there.
Yeah, even the jet skis you do too fast.
Yeah, it was superb. You sit in the back. Stop. Why were you so scared?
Because it looks like it'll go off, yeah?
Can I go?
Yeah, you please go with your mother. Whoever wants to go with the mother. I'm not going with your mother. Gauri, go slow, yeah?
Why were you so scared?
No, it's very scary, yeah? No. Nobody's going fast. Everybody loves the beach. Only it's a little hot, so going in December is fantastic. That you can go there and all that perhaps I can't do in a hotel. I can do there because it's my house, so I can be in shorts, roaming around, playing cricket, football, riding on ATVs, or just going into the sea, boating, just being dirty, not doing anything, playing games late at night.
Arjun or Robin? देखिए आ जरा. Tell them to practical come here.
to remain. Don't go beyond this tree. I don't know. I'm really looking forward to going there again because we are awake till 5. We go to sleep at 7 in the morning. Get up at 3. Ideal. Because the sun is finished by then, so we can get into the pool. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's really a nice place for the kids, and kids really love the water and the beach. I thought of Red Chilies like I've told you before. In case the company fails, we can start a Mexican restaurant. That's why it's called Red Chilies. I don't know, I just felt a film company should have an unrelated name. So I just was thinking one day, and I wanted some red in the letterhead. And I said, okay, I'll call it Red Chilies. I know a lot of people will find it funny, and I hope one day I'm able to convert it into a brand. And you know, nobody should know what it sells. It's a strange thing. It sells movies, and I don't know. I just thought Red Chilies is a good name. You know, as long as we'll keep on thinking methods of religious prayers are different, we'll always be different. I find no difference in thinking of God.
यजमानोऽहं बोलिए मम
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 आत्मनः
आत्मनः
श्रुति स्थितिः आयुः पूजनम् अर्चनम् अहं करिष्ये प्रमोगे अस्मिन् कलशे वर्णं साङ्गं.
The kids, I want them to understand what's happening. They should learn religion and how it follows. So they're doing well. The first time Aryan had come, he ate the banana. Had the prayer without the prayer starting, and we couldn't stop him. So this year at least he's not eating the banana before the prayer ends. They say he just asked for it and got it.
I want this small banana.
Small banana?
Thank you, Mani. Diwali, according to me, is in a certain way related to business also. It's a new year starting. So it's very nice, you know, you come to your business place. Yes, you do your prayers at home also, but I think come to the business place, and it's oneness. I wish I could spend more time in the office. Being an actor, I can't. But it's a nice excuse to come and meet everyone.